of shapes. This is a rectangle. And now we see a cell phone. This is an oval. Look, it's a kiwi fruit. This is a triangle. And now we see a slice of pizza. This is a square. And here is a photo frame. This is a circle. And now we see a wheel.
That's the way. Choose the right shape and the train will move. Excellent. No. That's the way. Way to go. Way to go. Perfect. That's the way. Good thinking. Excellent. Yes. Great. You've done well.
Let's learn the names of shapes. This is a rectangle. And now we see a cell phone. This is a circle. And now we see a candy. This is a triangle. Now this is a pyramid. This is a square. Look, it's a chessboard. This is an oval. Look, it's a mirror.
Excellent. Choose the right shape and the train will move. You did it. Keep it up. Perfect. Keep it up. Way to go. Great job. Excellent. Good thinking. Good thinking. Great! You've done well. Find the shapes that match. Congratulations! You've matched all objects. Put the right things aboard the Ferris wheel. You did it! Nice! You did it! Keep it up! You did it! Great job! Nice! Good thinking! Keep it up! Nice work! You got the Ferris wheel going all the way. A chocolate bar. Tap on all things that look like a square. Excellent! Think again. Give it another try. Try again. Not quite. Good thinking. Excellent. Great! You found them all.
Let's learn the names of shapes.